We're going down 15th Street. Just past McFarland. You can see the hospital in the background.
That used to be McDonald's.
333-3732.
That's what was McDonald's at one point. How do you zoom in, dude? Is it up?
Okay.
There we go.
I wiped them down. They're clean.
Great. Thank you so
All the
much.
windows are busted out,
We
man.
hope you get a phone call and you get to use those. And thank you very much for calling us.
Yeah, you can never used to see DCH.
Yes.
And you just look down 15th and it's just all gone.
Okay, that one I gave out a little while ago was for folks that are disabled. Do you need that one or the other city number?
The city.
Why is this a red light, honestly?
Okay, yeah. That number for disabled victims of the tornado, you can contact Beth at
I wonder if you can see
205
Chandler's apartment.
292
Alright, I'm gonna take
3167. 292 3167.
It's like a wasteland, man.
See, I can't even remember what was here.
It doesn't look quite as bad this far.
Yeah, I think because it came from this way.
Yeah.
I think we already passed those apartments. I didn't even see Wendy's.
We did. We were.
I don't even know where Wendy's was. Is it still videotaped?
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you.